And all new at 6, the ABC15 investigators are exposing new concerns about workplace safety in Arizona. Tonight, we're learning a company where 2 men died in a trench collapse had a history of worker safety violations. The ABC15 investigators are now uncovering that company was cited for multiple safety violations in just 2 years, but fined less than $10,000. ABC15 investigator Ann Ryman has spent months investigating and talking with those families wanting reforms to the state's worker safety program.
Happy birthday to my love.
May 4th, 2020 was Alex Quaresma's last birthday. He and a coworker, Rudy Mori, were digging for a sewer line in the summer of 2020 when the sides of the trench collapsed, burying them.
Amazing cook, amazing gardener, amazing father, and a best friend to me, and I miss him very much.
Rudy and Alex worked for a company called Specification Solutions. The ABC15 investigators finding 9 months before the men died, the Arizona Division of Occupational Safety and Health, or ADOSH, inspected a different Specification Solutions worksite in Surprise. In that October 2019 inspection, ADOSH said the company failed to follow safety standards and failed to train an employee. The company got 2 serious safety violations and a $1,200 fine.
As you feverishly try to rescue somebody, more dirt starts falling down and it's just a tragic, incident right here.
In July 2020, ADOSH investigated Rudy and Alex's deaths at a construction site in West Phoenix. They found the company failed to have an adequate protective system in place on the trench and also didn't train workers to recognize unsafe conditions. The company got 4 serious safety citations, but because it was a small company, their $20,000 fine was reduced to $8,000.
2 people, 2 genuine, loving, caring men passed away on that day, and no one was held responsible.
ADOSH also didn't classify one citation as a repeat violation. Doing so would have subjected the company to steeper fines. When ABC15 asked ADOSH why, they admitted in a statement there was an error. Alex's loved ones had no idea the company had been previously fined until ABC15 showed them the records.
Someone definitely dropped the ball, and this could have been avoided.
Also apparently coming as a surprise to Dale Schultz. He's chairman of the Industrial Commission of Arizona, which oversees ADOSH.
I have, no knowledge of that. I mean, I'm going to need to have more information about what that claim was.
Peter Dooley is a Tucson safety consultant who has followed ADOSH for 2 decades.
That is obviously blatant neglect on the part of the agency not to be using those previous violations and citations.
After the deaths, Specification Solutions sent documentation to ADOSH showing they retrained employees and held safety meetings. But in October 2021, ADOSH issued a 3rd safety citation for another improperly constructed trench, but later settled with the company. The agreement shows they agreed to delete the citation and issue no fine.
It sends a bad message to companies, and it sends a bad message to the families and the community in general.
A new state law passed last year allows ADOSH to fine companies more for workplace safety violations.
We apply citations and penalty according to the laws of the state of Arizona and the directions of the federal OSHA program. And so I feel very, very comfortable saying to any and all that, in fact, we do our job.
Alex and Rudy's families say the $9,200 in fines to the trench company are a slap on the wrist, and they want the state to overhaul the worker safety agency.
Everyone has a right to come in to work, make a decent living, and leave in the same manner that they came in.
We reached out to the company the men worked for. They declined comment, citing pending litigation. I'm investigator Ann Ryman, ABC15 Arizona.
Ann, thank you. Want to blow the whistle on wrongdoing? We want to hear from you. Go to our website, email us at investigators@abc15.com, or call that number right there on your screen.